Hi, good morning. How are you? I am fine. I hope you also fine. After a long time again I am doing video. This is for 8th class. We start one chapter, that is exponents and powers for 8th class. Now we already learned in lower classes 3 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5 means 3 is multiplied 5 times. Is it clear, all of you? 3 to the power of 5 can be written like this: 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many times we have to write? We have to write 5 times. 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 is multiplied how many times? 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Suppose if I say 4 to the power of m. 4 to the power of m. 4 to the power of m means what? 4 is multiplied. 4 is multiplied like this up to how many times? Up to m number of times. Up to m times we have to multiply. So this can be written as 4 to the power of m. Is it clear, all of you? 3 to the power of 5 means 3 is written 5 times. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 is written multiplied 3 times. 4 to the power of m means 4 is multiplied for m times. Okay. Now, suppose if I write 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6. In this 10 to the power of 6, here 10 is called base. Remember all. 10 to the power of 6, 10 is called what? 10 is called base, and this 6 is called exponent. Or we can call this as a power also. In a 10 to the power of 6, 10 is called base and 6 is called what? 6 is called exponent or power. Similarly, if I write 5 to the power of 3. In a 5 to the power of 3, 5 is called what? 5 is called base and 3 is called exponent. Or we can call this as a power. Is it clear, all of you? Which is base and which is a power? The 5 is called base and 3 is called power. Now in this example, 10 is called base, 6 is called exponent, or we can call that as a power. Now, suppose if I say a to the power of minus m. A to the power of minus m. A to the power of minus m we can write like this: 1 by a to the power of m. Remember all of it. A to the power of minus m means what? A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Similarly, if I say 2 to the power of minus 3. 2 to the power of minus 3 means you take out minus symbol, you write 1 by 2 to the power of 3. 1 by 2 to the power of 3. Now we see what is meant by the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. For a to the power of m, for a to the power of m, the multiplicative inverse is a to the power of minus m. So this will become what? A to the power of, when the bases are same, the power should be added here. So this will give you a to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. So what is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power of m? For a to the power of m, the multiplicative inverse is a to the power of minus m. For this will become the multiplicative inverse. For this will become the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means, suppose if I write 2. For 2, how much we have to multiply here to get 1? That is, we write 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 2. So if you multiply these two, we get 1. Similarly, for 1 by 2, the multiplicative inverse will be 2. Is it clear, all of you? Now we see the expanded form. This also we learned in smaller classes, that is 6th and 7th. Even 5th also we learned how to expand the given number. Suppose if I say 345. This 345 we can write like 3 into 300 plus 40 plus 5. This 300 we can write like this, 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. And again, this 3 into 100 we can write it as a 10 square. 4 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 10, 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0. 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 0. So like this we can expand when any number is given. Similarly, suppose if I write 458.76. How to expand this? 458.76. First we take these numbers, 458. That is a 4 into 100 can be written as a 10 square plus a 5 into 10 to the power of 1 plus 8 into 10 to the power of 0 plus here we got the decimal, that is after decimal 7 is there, 7 into we write 1 by 10. 7 into 1 by 10 plus this 6. 6 into 1 by 100 we have to write. After decimal, this is the second digit. First digit we have to write 1 by 10. For second digit 1 by 100. If there is third digit we have to write 1 by 1000. And again we expand further. 4 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 to the power of 1. 8 into 10 to the power of 0. Plus 7 into 1 by 10 we can write this as a 10 to the power of minus 1. Plus 6 into 1 by 100 we can write as a 10 to the power of minus 2. So 6 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So whenever we get for this particular problem 458.76, like this we have to expand up to 458. Normally we have to write, but when we write after decimal, we have to be careful. 7 into 1 by 10, 6 into 1 by 100. If the third digit is there after decimal, we have to write that digit into 1 by 1000. Have a look. Now we learn the laws of exponents. The first is a to the power of m into a to the power of n can be written as a to the power of m plus n. Here in a to the power of m, a is called the base and m is called the exponent, and in this case a is called the base and n is called the exponent. So the product of same bases, here the product of same bases, with different exponents or whatever it may be, then what we have to do is we have to add up the exponent. That is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to what? A to the power of m plus n. Now we suppose 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 4. Here 2 is called the base, 3 is the exponent, and here is 2 is the base and 4 is the exponent. So in this problem, the base is the same, base is 2 only with the different exponents. So in the case of a product, what we have to do for the same base, that is we write 2 and we have to add up the powers. That is 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 to the power of 7. You write 2 as a base, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. We take one more example, 5 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 8. Here what is the base? 5 is the base, 3 is the power, and here also 5 is the base, 8 is the power. So the bases are same. We write 5 to the power of, we need to add the exponent, that is 3 plus 8 is equal to 5 to the power of 11. So what is the first law? First law is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Now, regarding this expanded form, I am giving two problems here, you do at home. 485.78. Second problem is 3456 into 0.43. So all of you do this problem. I am giving my WhatsApp number. The first 3 students, whoever send the answers for the WhatsApp, I will announce their names in the next video. So all of you please subscribe my channel, like it and share it, and give me the notification bell. Have a look. Okay, all of you, thank you for your observing the video. Have a nice day.